What's the big deal about positive thinking? Isn't it just about putting on rose-colored glasses and getting good vibes floating around in an attempt to control the universe, make good things happen? No. It's not voodoo or magic. It's not about putting on rose-colored glasses. That would be irrational optimism. Positive thinking doesn't keep bad things from happening to us or magically make good things happen. 50 plus years ago, Zig Ziglar was saying that positive thinking will help you do everything better than negative thinking will. That just seemed to make sense to many of us because naturally, if you're positive, you're going to try harder and stick with it longer. Hang in there when the going gets tough. More recently, there's been a lot of research that's gone into positive thinking and happiness. Sean Achor, a happiness researcher, author, and speaker, says that literally every single success outcome increases when the human brain is positive. To quantify this, he says your brain at positive is 31% more productive than your brain at negative, neutral, or stressed. That's right, positive thinking actually makes your brain work better. Now you may be thinking to yourself, I know some really happy people who aren't very smart, and I know some smart people who aren't very happy. That would lead you to believe that there's no correlation between happiness and how smart you are. The research is not saying that if you're really happy, you're going to be the smartest person in the world, because we all have a different band of potential. What it is saying is that if you're happy, you raise to the top of your potential. That improves your intelligence and every success outcome. Everything. If someone tells you, I'm not an optimist or a pessimist, I'm a realist, that's a nonsensical statement, and you should probably tell them so. Both the optimist and the pessimist can be a realist. The difference is that a pessimist sees problems as permanent and pervasive and focuses just on the problems. The optimist sees problems as local and temporary and focuses on solutions, creative solutions. Solutions you would have never thought of if you're just focused on the negative, focused on the problem. For this reason alone, positive thinking can be worth a fortune in the business world. So what's the big deal about positive thinking? It helps your brain work better. Remember, your brain at positive is 31% more productive than your brain at negative, neutral, or stressed. Positive thinking helps you to come up with solutions, creative solutions you would have never thought of if you're focused on the negative. What's the big deal about positive thinking? In a nutshell, it helps you to be more successful, not to mention making you more appealing to other people.